Morning everyone.
Good morning.
Today we're going to do a 10 miler. We're going to go to West Yorkshire. Alright. We're going to start at Bird's Edge, head towards Upper Cumberworth, then round towards Shelley. I think it's Shelley or Shepley, it's one or the other, and then go on the outskirts of the village of Epworth, or Epworth if you like, and then back to Bird's Edge. So it should be a good one. It's not a bad Sunday morning. Let's go.
Let's go. Rock and roll.
Let's go, Mr. Driver.
Yes.
Right, so we're at Bird's Edge.
Yes.
Bird's Edge Church in the background there. And we're going to start our walk. It was beautiful and sunny when we set off. Obviously, because we're high up here. It's very misty
And a bit more chilly.
and a bit colder, so coat's staying on for now. And we'll see. We're just going to approach in Bird's Edge Square as well. I don't know what there is to see on this. I made it up again last night. But you never know, we're not bothered. We'll just see what's in store for us. No idea what we're going to see.
And if this mist gets any worse, we'll not see much.
You're not seeing out at all.
Yeah.
So, let's crack on. At least they don't feel cold like we do.
Woolly box.
Nice tree. It's like a snake's eared.
Yeah, it is. Like a mouth, isn't it?
Yeah, how weird's that? Nature's wonderful. It's a very busy 629 going to Huddersfield. What a beautiful bridge. How nice is that? Lovely that. Views over to Cumberworth. Lovely wee village.
Yeah.
And this guy seems to be riding.
Which is good news.
Back onto a bit of a rubble track. Back to your feet if you're doing this on for miles and miles and miles, but at the top of here where that wee tree is, or a little bit further, we go to our right. Over there. Bit of field walking now, by the looks of it. Up that hill, not too steep. Nice stepping stones for us over this lovely stream. How beautiful. Lovely stepping stones. Look at that sky. Looks like it's brightening over there. I just want it to come over here now.
We do.
Beautiful. Just approaching the village of Upper Cumberworth. Another wee stile to get over onto Rain Road, and back of them houses another path back into the fields. Upper Cumberworth. Mustang Sally, you must slow your Mustang down. Nice views of Shepley in the distance, where we're going to be heading to shortly, and poking through the cloud there, Emily Moore Mast. A couple of benches if you want to sit down on your travels to look at that view. Well, that was a lovely piece of land we've just walked through.
Very nice.
Absolutely stunning. But we got slightly wrong on path, but for his own, what can I say, it worked out for us better.
Yeah, because it's quite buggy, where we should have gone, and we managed to miss it.
Sort of bypass it and come round it, so if we went directly on the path, we'd have come through a load of boggy land and up to his knees probably. But yeah, we're heading over this wee wall into another bit of lovely grassed area.
Yeah, very nice.
About a mile in. New laid road. Looks like they're looking after the roads in West Yorkshire. This is Car Lane. Cape Burton used to work there. One thing is though, in West Yorkshire, I think they must think everybody is thin and skinny. Nice house in the distance. Lovely that. That's a nice gesture. Somebody's put a Ukrainian flag up. All the colours of, I don't know if it's actually a Ukrainian flag. That's a nice gesture. Yeah. Lovely properties. Sometimes you just have to use your eyes. Little gate between two houses. Some type of monument down there. That's a nice flag flying, I've got to say. The Union flag. I don't know if it's the war memorial or it's a monument to somebody. It just stands in the middle of the field. Unfortunately, we're not going that direction, so we'll not get to know. We're going that way. We're generating a bit of power. Well, Easter's not far away.
First day of spring tomorrow, which is actually my birthday. Ew.
Very busy here, 629. Nice millstone. 1853 it's engraved on that. Lovely job. Middle of the road.
Yep.
And across somewhere. Nice operating quarry. Still going. Don't know what it's called, it doesn't say it on map. But it's just behind Sovereign pub and Sovereign garage. What else I didn't even know were there. Like a house. Don't know if you can see Castle Hill on the top, and then you're looking over towards the Pennines, and down in the bottom you've got Home Valley. How beautiful is that?
Just incredible.
Just caught that horrible rugged public footpath from down there, and now we're on to Hurst Lane. At least the sun's coming out and the skies are clearing. So we're about halfway. Beautiful, absolutely gorgeous trek.
Yeah.
Another one I made up last night, like I was saying earlier. But
Stunning.
people ask us why we do this, why we go out and eat at moors and have a trek. And what we're looking at now, you can't see this on a TV screen. You can't experience it on a TV screen. You've got to experience it for reality, for real. It's just absolutely stunning.
It's the calming and the just doing your soul and body good. You just can't put it into words how it makes you feel. So,
I mean, what we're looking at the moment is just breathtaking. I mean, you just can't bottle that. That is just absolutely breathtaking. Another beautiful path. But that view makes up for it. 9 weeks until we go on our adventures north of the border to do the Antonine Wall Walk. Really looking forward to that one. Sun's gorgeous now.
it is.
Better than this path that we're walking down, but yeah, well, can't be fault. Heather.
Yeah.
And I think it's going to get slightly worse as well. Take a look at it.
Should have gone straight on.
We've just further back there we had an option. We could have gone straight, carried straight on and met this further round, which looked a better path to be honest, or stick to the route that I planned. Phil's just said would have been better off carrying straight on, but then it wouldn't have been 10 point whatever miles, 9 miles, nearly 11 mile I think it is, or nearly 10 miles, something like that. But you know, you have to take the rough with a smooth, and this is the rough. When the road all of a sudden becomes nice and neat, where did it look that way? Poor Phil.
Never mind.
Just slipped on his ass. Well, his face nearly, to be honest.
Nah.
He planted it.
Happy days.
Happy days. Heading up So's that farm. Come on, son. Come back out.
Yeah, absolutely.
Hello. Aren't you beautiful? Hey? Aren't you beautiful? Gorgeous.
Nice smile.
We've come to a bit of a building site here. That building. Seen better days, I think. Oh well. How gorgeous is that? That's Jackson Bridge. The village of Jackson Bridge. But that is beautiful. Absolutely stunning. Just walking up Scarhole Lane. Nice. But they're better. Whew! Well, that was one steep climb. Right from bottom. All the way up. And way up here. That was one steep climb. But what a view. How worth it is that? Looking over towards Roydmoor Wind Farm. Didn't realise we were as close as it to that, but we are. Getting it windy. We are really high up, obviously. But beautiful.
Reminds me of one of my favourite tracks. The Sound of Silence.
Yeah.
Beautiful, yeah.
By Disturbed though.
Yes, by Disturbed.
Hayside Farm Stables. Very nice. Well, that's what you call an old farm barn conversion. Absolutely stunning, that. Lower Drake Hill Farm. Gorgeous. The TPT. My favourite. But we ain't going on that. This is Broadhurst Road. And that's where we're going. We've just come up that really long one. And now we're heading this way. Bird's Edge Lane. Back down to Bird's Edge and back to the car. Tonker Truck Graveyard. Now I know where they all ended up. Just all left there, just to rot away. R.I.P. Tonker.
Yeah.
R.I.P.
Hello.
We're back in the car.
Yep.
That was absolutely stunning trek, that. Really enjoyed that one.
Yeah, it was a great. The weather helped as well. It's been beautiful today, but lots to see. Beautiful countryside. What more can you ask?
What more can you ask for? So, we'll end the video here. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Please like and subscribe and send to our social media sites as well. So, from Jay, out.
Phil out. Keep trekking.
Trek on. Till next time. Bonus material for this video today. We're having a wee drink in the back garden. Let me cover it up. I don't want copyrights. Possibly the best lager you can buy.
Probably.
It's our Phil's birthday tomorrow, so we're just having a wee drink. So I'm going to wish him happy birthday for tomorrow, dude.
Cheers, dude.
Just laking about. These are the beers and lagers available.
There is.
It's 9 weeks this weekend till we go on this big trip, like I think I mentioned earlier in the video, to the Antonine Wall, which is 37 mile across the central belt of Scotland. Really looking forward to that. There's 4 of us doing it. We're not camping hard. We've got accommodation for this one.
We're going posh.
We're going posh. So that should be good. Today's been an absolutely fantastic trail. It's been a great trek. Loved it. The views, the scenery and everything's just been amazing. So I just wanted to put this wee bit of extra content into this video, just to wish our Phil an happy birthday. So cheers, bro.
Cheers.
Again. See you on the next one.
See ya.